So Coral stands for Collaboration of Oak Ridge, Argonne, and Livermore. So it's kind of a big deal.
So what kind of project requires that level of cooperation? What are you trying to tackle?
We're looking at procuring the next large systems for each of those 3 sites. So on the Office of Science side, they have their leadership computing systems, all right?
Yeah.
And on the ASC side, we have advanced technology systems, all right? So Sequoia is essentially an ATS system, all right? You may have heard of the Trinity procurement that recently had an RFP out, and so their RFP is out. They've gotten their responses, and they're in the process of evaluating those. So Sierra is what the working name we have for our next major system,
okay.
And that will be part of the Coral procurement.
Part of Coral.
So.
Will it be 3 discrete systems at 3 locations necessarily, or not necessarily?
Yeah. So the way the procurement is, the RFP is structured, we're looking to procure 3 separate systems. So one here, one at Oak Ridge, and one at Argonne. So follow-ons to Titan and Mira, as well as to Sequoia. So.
Okay. Yeah. So
it's a
big deal. At least 3 years out, something like that, maybe more?
The 2017 timeframe.
2017.
When we're looking at delivery.
So this, they say that the eve of exascale is somewhere around 2018 or later. So this will be what's before exascale.
Yeah,
I would guess,
we're still
right?
calling them pre-exascale.
Pre-exascale
Yeah,
system.
we definitely do not expect to see something that would be.
So something, yeah. So something maybe 100 petaflop or more, kind of.
So the RFP does have a peak number, although we're trying to move away from peak, and that is 100 petaflops.
Okay. Is Sierra the next generation system? Is it drawn up on a whiteboard somewhere? Is that the kind of stage it's at, and it'll have these kind of characteristics, or how would you describe where it sits today?
So where it sits today is we're anxiously awaiting to see what we get in the responses to the RFP.
Okay.
All right. So as I kind of mentioned, so the way Coral is going to work is we will select the set of 2 system architectures that provides the best overall value to DOE.
So kind of a wrap-up question here. We've seen scaling go up faster than Moore's Law with these clusters, right? If we watch the top 500. Is scaling getting harder as we go from what we have today, a machine like?
In terms of peak.
Well, in terms of what you guys got to deliver to your customers, you've got Sequoia today, and now this machine might be 10x, right? The next one is delivering. Is that harder than it was 40 years ago?
Scaling is getting harder because the way the systems are going, we see the beta F ratios going down, and so for delivered performance, it's getting more difficult to continue. Although you might see the peaks still going up significantly, to actually track those peaks is getting more difficult.
Yeah.